In this video, I will show you how to search using Google Circles on iPhone. First open App Store. Now install Google on your iPhone. After installing Google, open the shortcuts. Click on the plus. Search, take screenshot and select it. Search for search image with lens and select it. Now enter circle to search. Click done. Now open the Settings app. Go to Accessibility. Click on Touch. Click on the back tab. Now select the circle to search. Now open any image or document. When you double tap the back, it takes a screenshot and instantly sends it to Google Lens for search.